If you want to write characters your readers will feel, characters they root for or cry for, can't stop thinking about, you are in the right place. I'm Melissa Bourbon, and this is my character study playlist. It's a complete step-by-step guide to building deep and layered and emotionally rich characters from the inside out. These videos work together sort of like a mini course. So starting here is going to give you a very strong foundation on character development. In this playlist, you are going to uncover your character's goals and motivations, their secrets, lies, and internal conflict, their emotional wound, which is so important, how to show instead of tell, using subtext, and how to write in deep point of view, essential. All of these pieces together are going to shape a character that your readers won't be able to forget. Each video builds on the last, so watching in order is going to help you layer your characters with intention and emotional clarity. So I do encourage you to watch them in order. Grab your notebook, settle in, and start with the first video in the series. I will walk you through each step so you can create characters who feel real, complex, and unforgettable. Welcome to my character study playlist. Let's get started.